Well, have you ever touched an elephant? Today I'm at an elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I'm going to teach you 8 important verbs and how to say what you like and do not like. Let's go. I'm here at a real elephant sanctuary. This is a safe place for elephants, no riding, just love. First, let's learn what a verb is. A verb is an action word, something you do. Walk, eat, smile. These are all verbs. Today we'll learn verbs you need at an elephant sanctuary. Here are our 8 key verbs. Say each one with me. 1. Like. Say it with me. Like. 2. Feed. Feed. We feed the elephants bananas. 3. Wash. Wash. We wash them in the river. 4. Touch. Touch. We touch their long trunks. 5. Walk. Walk. We walk with the elephants. 6. Watch. Watch. We watch the baby elephants play. 7. Take. Take. We take photos. 8. Smile. Smile. We smile because we are happy. Great job! Let's use them in sentences. To talk about things you enjoy, say, I like the elephants. I like the river. I like the sanctuary. But what if something is not for you? Say, I do not like the bugs. I do not like the heat. I do not like the mud. Now here's the important part. To use a verb, say, I like to verb. I like to feed the elephants. I like to wash them in the river. I like to take photos. I do not like to touch the bugs. I do not like to walk in the heat. Did you notice? This is very important. Let me tell you about my day at the sanctuary. First, I walk to the sanctuary. I see the elephants. They are so big. I feed them bananas. The elephants are hungry. Then, we go to the river. I wash an elephant. The water is cold, but it's fun. I touch the elephant's trunk. It is rough and strong. I watch a baby elephant play in the mud. So cute. I take many photos. And I smile, because this is the best day. I like to feed the elephants. I do not like the bugs, but I love this place. Now it's your turn. Complete the sentence. I like to the elephants. Feed. I like to feed the elephants. I like to photos. Take. I like to take photos. I do not like the bugs. I do not like the bugs. Fantastic. You did great. Today we learned 8 verbs and how to say what you like and do not like. Next time, Emma visits a famous night market, and we learn how to order food. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss it. See you next time. Bye-bye.